Hello guys, welcome back to Char Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix this app can't run on your PC in Windows 10 and how to fix this app. So let's get started. So first you have to go here in the search and you have to search for local security policy. You have to search for this. Now open this. Now from here you have to go to local policies. You have to click on this and you have to select security. You have to select security. And from here you have to scroll down and first from here you have to click on user account. You have to click on user account control admin approval mode for built-in administrator account. You have to select this and you have to enable this and go for apply and go for OK. This is the first step what you have to do. Also in the same way you have to do for user account allow access to applications. Also you have to do for this. Also you have to go for enable this one and apply and go for OK. For both the things you have to do this, and once after that it will ask for restart. If it's not asking for restart, you can go for restart. Just go over here and go for restart. Once after restart, the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video helped you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. And if you have any doubts regarding this, do ask in the comment sections. We will get back to you. And this is Shahin officially signing off from Get Your Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.